By now, you've probably heard that the Texas Supreme Court has decided that judges who are offended by homosexuality can be excused from performing gay marriages. What I would like to know is, when did it become permissible for judges to apply their personal belief system to the application of the law? You're a judge, and your job requires you to occasionally perform gay marriage ceremonies. Shut your mouth and do your job. And if you don't want to perform gay marriage ceremonies, then you should not be a judge. But additionally, what this decision does is it creates a caste system of two groups of people. One group whose rights are worthy of protection, and another group whose rights are unworthy of protection. I don't know if the Texas Supreme Court justices are aware of this, but we don't do caste systems in the United States. I seem to remember this little document, a little document called the Declaration of Independence, which begins, "We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal." Some slacker by the name of Thomas Jefferson wrote that. And also, I seem to remember that religious doctrine holds that God believes all his creations are equal. The Texas Supreme Court is saying, well, we have this one group of people over here, the judges. Their rights are certainly worthy of protection. But we've got this other group over here, the queers. Their rights are not worthy of protection. And when Thomas Jefferson and God said that people were created equal, well, they must have been drunk or high or something, because they're wrong. We know better. This decision by the Texas Supreme Court is just a preamble to the U.S. Supreme Court's possible reconsideration of gay marriage. And you'll notice that all the gay supporters of Donald Trump and MAGA have gone silent. You know, the ones who were snidely asking, well, what rights have you lost? You don't hear from them anymore. That's because our concerns about the direction this regime was taking have been proven valid. Their lack of concern has been proven hopelessly naive. At this point, if you're a religious person, you have to ask yourself, if homosexuality is immoral and wrong, why did God create gay people and give them the desire to get married? I can promise you, it wasn't a test of your hate.